On one of my YouTube channels, I made 7 figures in 1 year, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. Hey guys, my name is David Omari and I'm a 7-figure YouTube coach, and I've actually grown multiple 6- and 7-figure YouTube channels, and I've also helped thousands of my clients grow successful YouTube channels as well. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down exactly how I was able to scale to 7 figures in 1 year from a single YouTube channel and how you guys can do it too. But first, here's my phone number. Make sure you store it in your phone right now because I wanna help you guys achieve the same exact result and the same exact success that I achieved. And like I said, the only way I'm gonna be able to do that is if you guys have direct contact and direct access to me. So make sure you guys store my contact right now. Now, the coolest part about what I've done on YouTube is I've actually been able to do this entire business model by not showing my face or even making the videos myself. I know that sounds kind of crazy. You guys are probably like, what is he talking about? I know, trust me, it sounds kind of crazy, but when I break it down for you, you guys are gonna have a clear understanding of it and you're gonna wanna go ahead and try it for yourself. So as I said, guys, I did this without showing my face. I did this without making the videos myself because I leveraged a business model that's called YouTube automation. And simply all YouTube automation is just taking all 5 main components of a YouTube channel, which is the channel manager, the video editor, the script writer, the voice actor, and the thumbnail artist, and just took all those team members and had them running a channel for me, and they actually scaled that channel really fast. One of the main ways they were able to scale this channel for me is because we leverage OPC. Now, what does OPC mean? OPC simply means other people's content. Now, back in the day, it was a lot easier to do this. Nowadays, you have to actually add a lot more to the channels. You can't just take other people's content and compile it together because you will not get monetized. But as I stated, leveraging OPC is still a very strong method that you can take full advantage of today. There's still thousands of channels out there that's doing it. Most of them don't really know exactly how to do it correctly, but that's okay because you guys got me and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do so. You see, what I've personally done with my YouTube automation channel is I literally took the most viral content I can find, and that was my mindset going into this. It was like, yo, why try and reinvent the wheel when it's already been done, right? So there's viral content out there right now on the platform that you guys can actually take advantage of. So I'll give you guys an example that you can run and use right now. Just for example, the NBA niche, right? There's so many popular NBA players that are in the NBA right now that even if you just post a little clip about one player and you give it an eye-catching title, you guys will literally be able to blow up a channel just from that one NBA player because of how popular they are. So keep that in mind right there. I took that one NBA player and I made a compilation video of the NBA player. I added some transformative content over it, which is like a voice actor, some edits from a video editor, and I just compiled it into one video, and then I posted it on the platform. And because it has a popular title that states something about a popular player, now I've essentially tapped into an audience that already exists. And you see, that's the main point when it comes to leveraging OPC. You have to find content that is already viral. You don't want to leverage other people's content that doesn't really have a lot of push behind it, popularity behind it, because if you do, then you're just going to be wasting your time. And even if the content is really great, it's going to take a lot longer than it would than if you guys would leverage viral content. Now, when you leverage viral content, it isn't instant, but sometimes it can be if you hit it at the right time. So for the channel that actually generated 7 figures in 1 year, it was around a niche that was very, very popular and very, very relevant at that time. And because we leveraged that and we are able to leverage the popular content that we were able to find and source, we were able to put viral videos together on a day-to-day basis, which was helping us get anywhere from 10 million views a month all the way up to like 100 million views a month, right? And it's just from being in the right place at the right time. Now, I know what the question is, can this still be done in the year of 2022? And this is why you clicked on the video, right? So you can learn exactly how you're gonna be able to leverage YouTube for wealth to make money in the year of 2022. And the answer to that question is absolutely yes, guys. YouTube has a huge opportunity to make money. They've even made way more changes that actually just were implemented. For example, the Shopify store being added to the YouTube dashboard. You can now connect those two things together, which makes YouTube a monster when it comes to monetization monetizing your content and making as much money from it. So yes, you guys can still leverage the OPC method, and not only can you leverage it, you guys can get even more out of it because now there's so many more things you can do to monetize your content. You have the thank you button, which is like a button down there that's like a donation button, just like how it would be on a live stream. You also have members, so people can join your channel and become a member. You also have ways where you can sell merch. You also have the Shopify store. There's so many different ways you guys can make money. Me personally, my favorite way is leveraging the ad revenue because the ad revenue is passive. Once you create that video one time, as long as it's constantly getting thousands and thousands and millions of views, you're always gonna be making money on that video, which is why that is my favorite method on how to make money on YouTube. Now, if I was starting from square one, what would I do? Number one, I would try and source the internet for as much information on YouTube as possible. For example, I do have a cheat sheet that is linked in the description below. It's currently on sale. Normally it's about $500, but just for today, you guys can get it for $47. So if you're interested in getting access to that information, you can click the link in the description below right now to go ahead and access that cheat sheet. Once I've got access to that information within that cheat sheet, I would then implement it as soon as possible. I would start creating as much content, testing as many video ideas, and trying to find the best niche for a channel so that I can basically start to bankroll and cash flow and make as much passive income from one channel as possible. And if you're struggling to find great content ideas, the best way to find a really good content idea is to literally find a competitor. If you have a niche, for example, like the NBA niche where you don't want to show your face, all you have to do is find a competitor on YouTube. If you can find a competitor that is doing really well, you essentially have a full blueprint of how to recreate success in that niche. And all you have to do is take inspiration from that one channel that's your competitor and redo it in a better way. And that's why you guys are here, right? You're gonna be here learning all the best ways to leverage YouTube and grow your channel extremely fast. So if there is a competitor out there, they don't have access to me like you do. So you're gonna be able to leverage me as much as possible to make sure you are dominating your niche on YouTube. And finally, the last way to make the most out of YouTube, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel with all notifications turned on so you never miss any content on this channel, because I'm gonna be giving you guys the best tips, tricks, and strategies to blow up your YouTube channel every single week. So you guys wanna make sure you stay tuned and you never miss a thing. And if you're really serious about taking this thing to the next level, then you definitely need to get into my mentorship program. Now, my mentorship program, basically you're gonna be privately coached by me. So I'm able to hold your hand through the process and literally show you exactly how I got the $1 million year, step by step by step. So if you're serious about taking this to the next level and you really would like mentorship from me personally, go ahead and click the link at the top of the description. Book a one-on-one strategy call with my team. We can't wait to hear from you, and I would love to guide you guys along the way. But with that being said, if you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe with all notifications turned on. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below how much money you want to make from YouTube this year, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.